little bit of practical fun to take us into the weekend, lads. You need a piece of paper, a square piece of paper. Now this is a regular A4 piece of paper, so to make it into a square, if I fold that corner over like this and fold this over where that line is, this line leaves a square. You can snip that with scissors or you can tear it off, but I'm not using this. I'm using a small piece of paper because it's going to be easy for me to video so you can see it clearer. You can use any size. You can use a big piece like this or you can use a smaller piece. So here's my little piece. So this is origami. Origami's folding paper to make a product. It's a Japanese artwork. It's been around for hundreds of years. The Japanese are experts at this. There's lots of different examples of this sort of thing online. So, piece of paper. We fold it corner to corner. So, join this corner over to this corner. Hold the corner exactly in line. And then we fold a crease here. Open it and fold it the other way. Again, corner to corner. And press the crease and then open it. And you can see we've got a crease going each way. Now, fold each corner into the centre. And then press the crease. Next corner into the centre. Press the crease, next corner, into the centre, press the crease, and the last one, into the centre, press that crease. Okay, so we've got a little square. Open up one of the flaps, and we fold the tip of the triangle into this crease here, like this, and then we fold it all the way back in. So you can see we've got a small triangle formed here. This one, now we're going to fold this outwards so it leaves a little triangle sticking out. Let me see if I can, like this. This line is still parallel to this edge, so we've got a shape that looks like this. And if I fold this back over, we have a rectangle with a little triangle sticking out. That's all pretty straightforward so far. This bit's a little bit trickier. I'm going to fold from this corner across to this corner. Like this. Turn it over. And this corner to this corner, the same on both sides. Looks like a bird now. So I can now fold out this part. And fold out this part. I can open this little section in here. Small fold here, small fold here, and we have a little origami dog. Do this with your little brothers and sisters, or when the when the lockdown's finished, you can show this to your young neighbours or cousins. They'll really enjoy doing this. Have a go.